Then as we progress through ruchi and come to a sakti, then we will understand, yes, I have a particular relation, I am a particular type of das or dasi, a relationship to my Ishtadev, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. I am a nitya das, as a servant in his household. Or I am a nitya saki, as a dasi, a pran saki of Radha and Krishna, a mandri bhav. Or I am a mother or father in vatsalya bhav. So then it's dasyam, I'm a friend, I can be a friend. My eternal relationship is I'm Krishna's friend, is sakya. And atmanavedanam, whatever my eternal relationship is, my nitya prem sambandha with Krishna, it requires me to fully surrender. Atmanavedanam. Man tan dan, Yashoda samarpan. Man tan dan, Shridam samarpan. Man tan dan, Lalita samarpan. Rupa mandri samarpan. Rati mandri samarpan. This is all Navavida Bhakti included in Shravana, Darshana, Dhyanam. The first three words of this verse, chapter 29, verse 27 of the 10th canto.